Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get bonus bets on ESPN Bet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So bonus bets are type of sportbook specific reward. Once you have earned a bonus bet, you can view them under the My Account page in-app by selecting the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From here you'll see the bonus bet section under rewards. Which once selected will display your available bonus bets. You may find that some of your bonus bet rewards are read eligible for all sportsbook wager, and so you are free to redeem those rewards to any sportsbook market, including straights, plays, and future. Other bonuses bet rewards may have a list of criteria attached to them. This list of criteria indicates all the conditions that must be met to redeem the bonus bet reward when placing a wager. To view the bonus bets that you have already redeemed, select the history section. So basically what you need to do is open up your app, and then once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on center bottom right here, and once you do that, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner, and once you do that, you will be sent to My Accounts page, and under there you'll find the option that says rewards or reward details. Now once you are there, you'll find the option that says bonus bets. Now all you got to do is just scroll down and then select the option which is preferable for you, and then click on bet now. Or you can just simply to the betting option and go to the bet slip, and there you will find the option to add your bonus bet as well by simply clicking on it. And if the bet is not available, then the bet won't be shown in the bonus bet section. Now once you have selected it, you can see the bonus bet has been added to the current amount, and all you got to do now is just click on the place bet option. So that's basically how to use it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.